Hello guys, how are you? And hope you are doing well and everything is okay. After winning our $5,000 this previous weekend, we are trying to do hard and work hard to win either another $5,000 or even more. So today with our first $1,000 tomorrow, and we will see what to do in the Sunday, Monday, and the other days. Okay, so let's start the business. Before I start, I just want you please to make a comment and subscribe. And also, I have another option. My team is always online. So, when you see one of my videos or any video, please just write in the comments any match you wanna predict or even live matches, and we will do our best to answer you instantly and at the same time to make your bet. So this video is just a channel and a tunnel between us to make a contact. So we will answer you and give you a hint or a tip or a prediction or a bet to win or to play or on other matches beside the matches that it shown in our videos. So for example, we are giving you 9 matches per video. So if you see a match, a team on your country or didn't show up in the video, just type it and type the name of the team, and we will do our search and we see that if we have any idea about it or to advise you, to give you an advice, to advise you to avoid that match or to play that match or any answers. Okay, so let's start the business. I'm sorry for talking a lot. So the first match is Bochum versus Holstein. VfL Bochum versus Holstein. This match is a little bit hard match to be played clearly on 1x2. So we will play goals. The host team will score at least 1 goal, and if they score more than 1 goal, you will win, and if they didn't, you will be refunded. The second team is Werder Bremen versus Bayern München. We know how it goes. Bayern München will win because if you play this match on goals, you will have nothing because 1, 2, 3 goals have nothing comparing to the winning possibilities. The third match is Union Berlin versus TSG 1899 Hoffenheim. This match is gonna be like this: double chance, either Berlin will win or they will draw. Okay, the other match, we'll skip this and we move to the Italian League, Italy Serie A. Genoa versus Union Venezia. This is double chance to either Genoa will win or they will draw. Okay. The other match is Napoli versus Juventus. We will play this over 1.5 goals. Both teams, not only one. Spanish League in Spain, La Liga. Real Valladolid versus Real Sociedad. Real Sociedad will definitely win. This is the hardest and the best prediction and match for tomorrow. Osasuna versus Las Palmas. This match is going to be like this: Las Palmas will score at least 1 goal. Okay, keep that in mind. The other match is Valencia versus Girona. First half, either Girona will win or they will draw. Okay. The other match is Real Madrid versus Espanyol. Real Madrid will score at least 1 goal in first half. Okay. So we have another match, as we'll put it in another video. Just we reserve it to the other match in order not to make it long for you. Okay. See slowly these matches And as I told you before, and I always tell you, please do not play all these matches in one ticket. Just separate them and play each three matches on a separated ticket. Only one ticket, okay? First, second, third. 1, 2, 3 tickets. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So take care of yourselves and see you later. And as usual, the general capital is $150. We'll give you $7,283.78. Okay? Take care of yourselves and see you later, and thank you.